today we are going to have another unboxing video. I've been doing unboxing videos so much lately, I don't know why, but I have. And today we are unboxing crayola dough. For some reason it says it's gluten-free. I guess if your kid tried to eat it and they had to eat gluten-free stuff, it doesn't have gluten, but that's weird. So, I think they were trying to copy Play-Doh, but it's crayola dough, so it's different. And the cool thing about it is it's in a little crayon capsule, and it's got these colors, white, I'm assuming that's supposed to be red, but it looks more like watermelon pink than just pink. Orange, yellow, green, light blue, and then purple. So, I'm gonna open this, and oh, by the way, meet Rainbow Squishy Kitty. I've had her, she's so cool because she has these eyes, but the rest of her is squishy, and I love her so much. And then we got Pusheen Donut. So you'll know Pusheen Kitty, I think, because I've showed her, or him, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, and a video before because it's like my favorite stuffed animal. I'm sure Pusheen Kitty is a girl, but it's just like my favorite thing in the world, and I am obsessed with it. And she or he is in a donut. Well, anyway, let's get this open. So I'm gonna use my scissors and get them open. So let's get into it. Okay, so guys, we finally got it open. Look at all these cute little things. See, they're like crayons. I really love this pink. See what the Play-Doh looks like. That's a cool pink too, but my favorite color is blue. So I really like this one, but my favorite color out of blue is cyan. It's closest to it that's in there, and I really like the color. It's pretty. So I'm gonna get it in a variety where you can see them, and a good color variety too. So like everything's perfect, but I might not be able to see them all, but I can. Basically, what we really need. Okay, we've gotten all of our colors out of this box. So let's see. Orange. Oh, they have plastic seals on the top of them. That's always satisfying to pull off, you know. And when the Play-Doh's new, well, it's not Play-Doh, but it's basically Play-Doh. It's just crayola dough. So, y'all, I'm gonna get all of these off real quick. So, be patient, and it'll be another time. I cannot wait to open them and play with them. So I hope you thought that time lapse was satisfying, because I think it was. It felt satisfying on my hands, but it kind of hurt sometimes removing the cap. So let's see the orange. I really don't want to mess this up, because I love when Play-Doh first comes out, because it looks like that. Man, this is kind of hard. Crayola dough is pretty hard, actually, but I still like it. I think you just have to get some use out of it, so it's not so hard. Oh, well, that's the orange. But I really do like the packaging for it, because that is cute. And it's easier to remove than the Play-Doh is. I have actually never heard of Crayola dough until I got it for Christmas, because I've never really seen it. I think it's new, but I got it in Christmas in 2020, but now it's 2020. Yay. February of 2021. Okay. That's the light pink. Now let's move on to the watermelon hot pink looking one. But, ooh, that's cool. I like this. That's pretty. I don't know why they're gluten-free, because good. It smells exactly like Play-Doh. Wait a minute. I can smell some sunscreen in there. It also kind of smells like sunscreen. But that's weird, so never knew it would smell like that. But let's keep moving on. I really hate to keep messing these up though. Ooh, the purple one's pretty soft. That feels like straight up Play-Doh right there because this one is really soft. Well, I hope y'all like my new setup for like unboxing and art videos because my mom actually painted this table. Ooh, this blue is pretty hard, but once you work with it, it gets faster. My mom painted this table. It kind of looks like a really pretty sunset. And it's my art table, so like they let me draw on it. And I really was happy with that. It's a nice table. I really like it. And it's my art and craft table. And I think I'll start unboxing here. That is a very pretty blue, but I really love this color. So let's check it out. It's pretty close to cyan, and cyan is my favorite color. Cyan's basically this color is blue. You can see it's kind of close. Look at how beautiful that is. I really was upset to mess with this one because I really like it, but I have to, so, but like I really like it, and it's beautiful. It's not the hardest, it's not the softest. I bet purple will be softest out of all of them, but we have 3 more to go, so we don't know yet. I really love that color, it's beautiful. Now on with green. Green's kind of soft, definitely not the hardest. I don't know which one was the hardest of them all though. I have a feeling the yellow is going to be soft for some reason. No, it's not. It's kind of hard, but I really like this yellow. It's pretty. Yeah, it's kind of hard because like when you try pulling it, it like immediately breaks apart, but that's okay. Because I think my mom got me these and I really like them. They're cute. So let's see the white, because it's our last one. The white's about as hard as the yellow. I'd say maybe a bit harder. So probably the white is the hardest, or the blue. But the softest was the purple out of all of them. I really hope you liked these, me opening these for the first time ever, and I hope you go get some. I'm sure you can get some at Walmart or Target, and I hope you like my new setup, so like this video and subscribe, please, please, please. I would love that if you do it. So bye, because I'm gonna go, and I hope try finding these. And comment down below if you do have some already, or if you end up getting some. Tell me which one's the softest, which one's the hardest, and which one's your favorite color, or just your favorite out of all of them. So